During an annual outage at the CEMEX rugby plant, we can have 800 contractors involved in that, with up to 400 of them on site at any one time. Following the last shutdown 18 months ago, we've had a big push to improve contractor management, contract engagement, as well as health initiatives with the contractors. One of those initiatives is Supervisor refresher training, where the supervisor has spent a day with health and safety and the planning teams to discuss what's expected of them, refresh their training. So one of the initiatives we did prior to the shutdown this year was we got the contractors involved with the lean manufacturing process via SMED. All the contractors were involved in the SMEDing stage of the planning. The contract companies were invited to a two-day workshop. During this workshop we would discuss the tasks that they would be carrying out in the shutdown, discuss any interactions in the area, any hazards in the area. We'd walk out on site, allow the contractors to get a real feel for the area where they'd be working, so they could then assess any pre-job hazards or any pre-job planning they needed. As part of the workshop, we introduced to the contract companies our 12 safety essentials, Stop and Think and Step In. As part of the Step In campaign, there was actually a recognition scheme for contractors as well. Any contractor company on site that had more than 10 employees was invited to a daily and a nightly health and safety review meeting. This is an open forum where they could air their views or concerns, and we could inform them of any health and safety initiatives or stand-downs that were upcoming on site. Another thing we introduced to in the workshop was the Evetta and the employee guard, and made them aware that all their employees would have to have their credentials uploaded onto Evetta before attending site. This allows us to track the skills and qualifications of every employee that works for these companies. This isn't just online, this can be used live on site via a smartphone, so any contractor can be spot checked at any one time, either during the task or before they sign on to the permit. Over the past 18 months, all the initiatives have allowed CEMEX rugby plant to have its safest shutdown yet, with a 55% reduction in first aid treatments and no LTIs.